This is a game called Straw Knots that I made some years ago, and it's based on a very simple principle. Straws, this is like a big straw. Imagine it's a big flatted straw. But you can tie a knot in a straw like this, a simple overhand knot. Just turn it over like this, and when you pull it tight, you get a shape in the middle, which is actually a five-sided shape, a pentagon shape, and all the angles are the same. And the two sides stick out at different angles. And you can tie another knot in them, and depending on the way you tie it, the end will go up or down. So that's going down this time, and this one again. We'll make this one go down, you see, by tying the knot that way. Or we can tie this knot the other way around and make it go up. And now there are different ways we can do it, tying up and down. So it's one shape the straw would come in, two downs and one up, like that. There's a little straw. And here's another one. Here's one up and two down in the middle, two down at the ends rather. And then here's one with three down. And that's all the shapes you can get. Now the wonderful thing you can do with these straws is you can fit them together. If you squash one end of the straw and keep the other round, you can link them together in all kinds of lovely shapes. And this one has got a pentagon shape. You can see the five sides there. Now here's one, the up, down, up one, which you can link in a similar kind of ways. But amazingly, you don't get a pentagon. What you get, if you look at the very center of it, is not five sides, but there was a clue in the number of straws were there. It's a six-sided figure, which is called a hexagon. Squash the end and put it in the one that's a little bit open, and then you fit the other one open end, put the squashed end in, and there you have the shape. So it's like six sides and five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one has got six sides. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there are other things you can do with the straws because you can join them into different shapes. And one of the games I like to play with this one is to give someone a pile of straws and a time limit and say how many straws can you make into a perfect shape within a certain time. And you can make a nice shape like that fairly easily, but could you make a bigger one? Well, there's a bigger one there. And now just to check you haven't just squashed them and pulled them into any shape you like, what you do is count all the inside angles and all the outside angles. So I'm counting this one all the way up. All the outside angles I'm counting round. And when I'm finished counting round all of them, remember the number when you're there. Okay. Then you count all the inside angles. Now the amazing thing, if it's the right kind of shape, there should be a difference of 5 or 6. So you might get 20 and 25 or 20 and 26. And you'll see it sits up a little bit. That's 27 and 22. So that was a nice shape. Could we get bigger ones? Well, I think so. I'll speed this up a bit just to let you see how a bigger one can be made. To give you a clue, you can often make two small ones and then try and join them together, and that's quite a good way to make a really big one. But here I'm joining them all together quickly to show you another long shape. You could also do it, I suppose, turn about with a person as a game and try and make them not be allowed to close it off. But I think that would be too hard because it's not easy to close them into a circle or into a final shape. And that one is final in 45 angles and 40 angles. So that's Straw Knots, a good game.